So you found a perfect Bollywood hit song. You want to make a cover version? Maybe add some lo-fi beats to it. Maybe create a mashup with some English lyrics. You open Suno, you click upload, and boom, red screen. Audio matches existing content in our catalog. I know that pain. I have been there. You are not alone. Every day, thousands of creators are facing this same wall. Suno is blocking us from uploading anything that sounds even remotely like a popular song. But today, I'm going to show you exactly why this happens. And more importantly, how to bypass it completely. Not with some complicated software, not with paid plugins, just one simple trick that Suno themselves accidentally left open in their system. Stay until the end because I am also going to show you my actual analytics. How I am earning 40 to 50,000 rupees per month using this exact method. Let us start. First, let us understand why Suno is doing this. If you go to Reddit, if you search on Twitter, everyone is complaining about the same thing. Suno has become very strict about copyright. They have deals with music labels. They have pressure from copyright holders, so they built a fortress around their upload feature. But here is the thing that nobody is talking about. Suno actually wants us to upload audio. They want us to create covers. They want us to extend tracks. They want us to create stems and mashups. These are the features they advertise. Upload your audio and extend it, they say. Create variations, they say. But when you actually try to upload a popular song to use these features, they block you. Why? Because of something called acoustic fingerprinting. This is the technology that is killing our creativity. Let me explain acoustic fingerprinting in a very simple way. Imagine every song has a unique fingerprint, just like your thumb impression. When you upload a song to Suno, they do not just check the file name. They do not check the metadata. They listen to the actual sound waves. They use technology similar to Shazam. You know Shazam, right? You play a song in a restaurant, Shazam hears 2 seconds of it and tells you the name. That is because every song has a specific waveform pattern, the peaks and valleys of the sound. Suno has a massive database. They have fingerprints of every song on Spotify, every song on YouTube, every popular Bollywood track, every Hollywood soundtrack. When you upload your file, they convert your audio into a waveform fingerprint and they check. Does this match anything in our database? If yes, they reject it immediately. Even if you change the pitch slightly, even if you add some reverb, the basic waveform structure remains similar. That is why simple tricks like changing pitch or adding effects do not work anymore. The fingerprint is still there. Suno is essentially saying, we know this is Kabira from Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. We know this is Shape of You by Ed Sheeran. You cannot upload this. But here is the loophole. Acoustic fingerprinting is powerful, but it is also stupid. It is looking for exact patterns. If we can change the pattern at the DNA level, the actual speed of the waveforms, we can trick the system. Now comes the magic. This is the trick that Suno does not want you to know. And it is so simple that you will laugh. You need a tempo changer app. If you are on iPhone, download Music Speed app. It is free. If you are on Android, search for Music Speed Changer on Play Store. If you are on laptop, you can use Audacity or any online tempo changer website. Here is what you do. Take your copyrighted song, the one that Suno is rejecting. Load it into the Music Speed app. Now, do not add reverb. Do not add pitch change. Do not add any effects. Only change one thing, the tempo. Reduce it to 50% or 60%. That is it. When you slow down the song to half speed, something magical happens to the waveform. The acoustic fingerprint changes completely. The peaks become wider, the valleys become longer. To Suno's fingerprinting system, this no longer looks like Kabira. It looks like some random ambient sound or some unknown instrumental track. The fingerprint is broken. Save this slowed down version to your phone or computer. Now go to Suno. Try to upload this file. Watch what happens. No error, no red screen. No matches existing content. It uploads successfully. Suno accepts it as a new original audio file. Because to their fingerprint database, this is just noise. It does not match anything they have on record. Okay, so now you have uploaded the song, but it sounds like a horror movie soundtrack. Everything is slow and deep. You cannot use this for your YouTube cover. It sounds like the singer is underwater. Do not worry. Suno has a feature that they are trying to hide, but it is still working. This is the legacy editor. Once your slowed file is uploaded to Suno library, click on it. Click Edit. In the drop-down menu, look for Open Editor or Legacy Editor. Important note: if you are using phone, switch to desktop mode in your browser. If you have laptop, use that. It works better there. Now in the Legacy Editor, you will see buttons at the bottom, minus and plus signs. These control the BPM, the tempo. Currently your song is at maybe 50 or 60% speed. You need to bring it back to original speed. Increase the tempo to 250%. Yes, 250%. Because remember, we reduced it to 50%. So 250% of that brings it back to roughly 125% of original, which is perfect. It will sound exactly like the original song. Maybe slightly faster, but actually it sounds energetic and normal. Click Save as New Song. Boom! You now have the original copyrighted track in your Suno library. But Suno thinks it is an original upload. The fingerprint is clean. Now you can use all those premium features. You can extend it. You can create instrumental versions. You can create stems. You can mash it up with other sounds. You can do everything that Suno promised but was blocking you from doing. I know you are thinking, does this actually work for earning? Let me show you my proof. I am running a channel called Ash Tracks India. 6,000 subscribers right now. Every month, I am uploading covers of popular songs using this exact method. Not the original copyrighted audio, no. That will get you a strike on YouTube. But I am creating instrumental versions, lo-fi versions, extended mixes using Suno's tools after bypassing the upload block. My analytics are showing 40 to 50,000 rupees per month, sometimes more. Because when you upload a popular song cover, even if it is instrumental, YouTube pushes it hard. The algorithm loves familiar melodies. But since you created it through Suno, it is technically your version. No copyright strikes. I am getting $0.50 to $1 CPM from Indian audience, but because these videos get massive views, 1 lakh, 2 lakh views per video, it adds up. If you target international audience with English covers, you can get $5 a CPM or more. But even with Indian traffic, this works because volume is there. So that is the complete method. Slow down to 50%. Upload to Suno. Speed up to 250% in Legacy Editor. Save as new. That is your golden ticket. Now I want to hear from you. Did you know this trick already? Comment below if this worked for you. If you want the exact music styles I use to get these results, the prompts that get me viral tracks, comment styles below, and I will send you my secret prompt list. Also, if you want me to make a video about how to increase your YouTube CPM from 50 cents to $5 using metadata tricks, let me know in comments. I have more hacks coming. Subscribe to the channel because I am posting these Suno secrets every week before they patch them. Like this video so YouTube shows it to other struggling creators. Share it with your friend who is also getting that annoying audio matches catalog error. This is for educational purposes. Use this knowledge to create, not to steal. Make beautiful covers, make mashups, create art. That is what Suno is for. Thank you for watching until the end. I will see you in the next video. Keep creating.